Hi, I'm Scott Campbell. Welcome to my window painting tutorials. Lesson 21, Animated Doors. Well, here we're at the sporting goods store, and this really isn't a how-to video like some of the other, I say they're tutorials, but this is just about animated doors. I'm not going to actually show how I painted them, but I just wanted to show you that you can do this. And basically, the front doors open up, and there's a little switch inside. You just open them, and then you can paint the back doors. And it's fun. I've done it before on some other stores. I've probably done it 6 or 7 times. But like this yellow ball is supposed to be a lacrosse ball, because they're supporting local lacrosse teams and also baseball teams, youth baseball, little league, and stuff like that. So anyway. Yeah, the animated doors can be quite fun. I've had ones where you've had presents with Christmas characters popping out, like elves and stuff. But yeah, this is the huge lacrosse guy. He looks like he's about 12 feet tall. And all the lettering. It was kind of challenging doing this because I had to climb up on top of the ladder in front of the doors. Oh, and here's this lovely young woman is the manager, and she has to move all these kayaks away because I have to wash off the window. That's actually why I'm there. Hi. Anyway, yeah, I was there to just wash it off. That was part of the expense. And I try to get back there as soon as they ask to have it cleaned off.